This tiny tool can place a perfect mark deep inside a mounting hole where ordinary pencils simply can't reach. And surprisingly, that's one of the simplest tools on today's list. Let's get started.
Trying to mark through a thick structural bracket can be surprisingly frustrating, especially when your pencil simply can't reach the surface underneath. The Pika Pocket Powder Spray Marker solves that problem with a long precision nozzle that reaches deep inside mounting holes and sprays a bright, visible mark exactly where you need it. The powder shows up clearly on wood, metal, and other job site materials, and because it dries instantly, you can keep working without slowing down. It's a simple tool, but one that eliminates a common frustration almost immediately. And speaking of precision, this next tool takes accuracy to an entirely different scale.
The Knipex Slim Nips are designed for jobs where precision matters more than raw cutting power. Their ultra-slim jaws can reach deep into crowded circuit boards and tight wiring assemblies, allowing you to make clean, flush cuts exactly where they're needed. The sharp cutting edges reduce damage to delicate wires, while the lightweight, spring-loaded design helps reduce fatigue during repetitive work. For electricians, technicians, and electronics enthusiasts, these cutters are an absolute pleasure to use. But if your work happens under the hood instead of on a circuit board, you'll appreciate this next invention. Anyone who's replaced suspension components knows how stubborn steering knuckles can be. The Lisle strut spreader makes the process dramatically easier by slipping directly into the pinch bolt gap and safely expanding the housing with a standard ratchet. Its compact profile fits where large pry bars struggle, giving mechanics better control while reducing the risk of damaging surrounding components. It's one of those specialized tools that saves both time and frustration every time it's used. And from suspension work, let's move over to electrical installations. Working with large industrial cables often means dealing with thick outer jackets that are difficult to remove without damaging the conductors underneath. That's exactly what the Knipex Industrial Cable Stripper was built for. Its guided cutting system allows you to make fast, longitudinal, and circular cuts while maintaining excellent control throughout the process. The ergonomic handle provides plenty of leverage, making even heavy-duty cable preparation feel surprisingly effortless. It's a major productivity boost for anyone working with communication, power, or industrial wiring systems. But if you thought that tool was powerful, wait until you see this next machine. When serious demolition work is on the schedule, the Milwaukee MX Fuel Demolition Hammer delivers performance that rivals many corded systems while offering the freedom of cordless operation. This heavy-duty tool tears through concrete with remarkable efficiency, while advanced anti-vibration technology helps keep operators comfortable during long sessions of demanding work. The high-capacity battery platform provides impressive runtime, allowing crews to stay productive without constantly searching for power sources. It's a clear example of how far cordless technology has come in recent years. And once all that concrete has been broken apart, you're left with a mess that this next tool handles exceptionally well. Concrete drilling and grinding can create an incredible amount of wet slurry, and cleaning it up is often one of the most time-consuming parts of the job. The Dustless Technologies 30-gallon slurry vacuum is designed specifically to handle these demanding conditions by collecting thick slurry and liquid waste quickly and efficiently. Its large capacity tank allows contractors to work longer without frequent interruptions, while the powerful suction system helps keep work areas cleaner and safer. For anyone involved in concrete cutting, coring, or grinding, this vacuum can dramatically improve job site efficiency. And from cleanup solutions, let's move to a smart tool that's helping HVAC technicians work more accurately than ever. Accurate temperature measurements are essential for diagnosing HVAC systems, but traditional probes can sometimes be awkward to position and monitor. The ROC-Clamp temperature sensor simplifies the process by securely attaching to pipes and sending real-time readings directly to your connected device. Its compact design allows it to fit into tight service areas, while the reliable clamp mechanism ensures consistent contact throughout testing.
The result is faster diagnostics, greater accuracy, and a more streamlined workflow for HVAC professionals. And if you're already measuring temperatures, this next tool helps ensure every refrigerant charge is just as precise. When working with refrigerant systems, even small measurement errors can impact overall performance. The Rothenberger Roscale 150 digital scale provides highly accurate weight measurements that help technicians charge and recover refrigerants with confidence. Its sturdy platform easily supports refrigerant cylinders, while the backlit display and Bluetooth connectivity make monitoring readings simple in any environment. By combining precision with convenience, it helps ensure systems operate exactly as intended. And now, let's leave mechanical rooms behind and head into the woodworking shop.
Anyone who spends time sanding large projects knows how frustrating it can be when hoses and power cords constantly drag across the work surface. The Festool boom arm solves that problem by suspending both above your workspace, allowing them to move freely as you work. Its smooth, articulating design follows your movements naturally, reducing resistance and helping maintain a cleaner, more organized environment. It's one of those upgrades that may seem simple at first, but quickly becomes something you never want to work without. And speaking of woodworking upgrades, this next tool is changing the way strong joints are created. Creating strong and accurate joinery traditionally requires a combination of skill, patience, and multiple tools. The Kreg 20V Ionic drive joiner simplifies the process by allowing users to create precise mortises quickly and consistently without the limitations of a power cord. Its intuitive alignment system helps ensure accurate placement, while the ergonomic design provides excellent stability during operation. The result is strong, professional-quality joints created in a fraction of the time required by traditional methods. And if precision woodworking is your thing, you're going to love this next tool. Measuring irregular stair openings can be one of the most frustrating parts of finished carpentry, especially when expensive materials are involved. The Woodpeckers Stair Tread Template tool eliminates much of that guesswork by capturing exact dimensions and wall angles directly from the installation area. Once locked into position, the template can be transferred directly onto your material for highly accurate cuts. This not only improves accuracy, but also helps prevent costly mistakes when working with premium hardwoods. And from precision carpentry, let's move to another trade where accuracy matters just as much.
Large format tile installations often involve moving heavy and fragile slabs that can be difficult to handle safely. The Razy Tilego installation dolly makes transportation and positioning significantly easier by combining mobility with installation assistance in one system. Its adjustable frame accommodates various slab sizes, while the durable wheels help navigate uneven job site surfaces with confidence. By reducing physical strain and improving control, it allows installers to work more efficiently with oversized materials. And once those slabs are in position, this next tool helps create a flawless final result.
Creating a seamless connection between large stone countertops requires precision, control, and often a lot of patience. The Razy Easy Seam Setter helps simplify that process by pulling slabs together while simultaneously allowing precise leveling adjustments. Its powerful holding system keeps materials securely positioned, while fine-tuning controls help achieve nearly invisible seams. For countertop installers working with granite, quartz, or other premium surfaces, it provides a level of accuracy that's difficult to achieve by hand alone. But after all that hard work, sometimes it's nice to have a tool dedicated purely to cleaning. Removing stubborn dirt, grease, and grime can take a surprising amount of effort, especially on vehicles and heavily used equipment. The Fanttik Nano electric spin scrubber tackles those tasks with a compact motorized brush system that does most of the hard work for you. Its versatile design makes it effective on wheels, tools, equipment, and countless other surfaces, while the waterproof construction adds extra convenience during cleaning. It's a small tool that can make a noticeable difference when it comes to maintenance and detailing. And finally, let's finish with a tool built for situations where brute force is the only answer. Some components simply refuse to move, especially when years of corrosion and heavy use have taken their toll. The Lisle heavy-duty chain wrench is designed specifically for those situations, using a massive steel chain and aggressive gripping teeth to lock on to large pipes, cylinders, and filters.
Its long handle provides exceptional leverage, allowing users to apply tremendous torque while maintaining control. For mechanics, equipment operators, and industrial technicians, it's the kind of tool that can save the day when everything else fails.
Those were 15 genius tools changing the game in 2026. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tools, gadgets, and workshop technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.